Good morning.
Thank you.
In your opinion, what this conference will bring to its members?
I think it will be a great opportunity to share the same challenges that we have back in Quebec or back in Europe or also everywhere in the world. So we have the same challenge and the same realities, and it will be great to participate in this event to see how it works here and how we can bring this opportunity and information back to home for our proper project.
Okay. What are the global trends in public transport? What can be applicable in Astana? What do you think about it?
I'm thinking about implementing better infrastructure for people that live here. So we can expect in the future that infrastructure will be more useful, just like for the weather. We saw that they implement in Astana some new infrastructure of transit stops, and I think it will be very useful to get more passengers in the transit system. It's an evidence to cooperate because we are a small world in the transit system. So like I said before, we have the same challenges. So to be a part of UITP, it's a good opportunity to share our problems and share our solutions. So I think it's the better way to improve for Astana and everybody else to get into common sense and have to share our proper projects that we are implement everywhere in the world.
Thank you for your interview. I wish you nice days in
Thank
Astana.
you very much. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.